How's it going, guys? I'm here to show you my Civic Type R shift knob replacement. So it's gonna be a quick, simple install. Let's see if it works. Let's see if it fits. So yeah, here we go. All right, so here's my original. Yes, I have a mess. I'm sorry. My original shift knob. It's a pretty good grip. Let me move this out the way. Pretty good grip, 5-speed. See. So just pretty much turn it till it comes out. Pretty good grip shift knob, but it doesn't have any weight. And then we'll replace it with, let's take this out. See, I don't know what this is for, so I'm not gonna ask. What seems like I just, let's see, focus this. Seems like I just plug it in. Nice, like, I don't know how to explain the color, like goldish. That looks sexy. So we're gonna put that right here. Oh, and that just glides in there. Let's go. Bow. I'm gonna say it's gonna cricket, but it feels a lot better than my original one. Maybe that's what that was for. I'll raise it. I don't know, but whatever. But it feels good. It feels good in my hand. It's nice and weighted. So thanks for my quick video. I will have shortly. I'm gonna install the short shifter because it's pretty long throws. We'll see how that goes. All right. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and comment on the video, and let me know what you think. Thank you. All right, so I wanted to recap on my shift knob. I remember they had this nut that I did not know what it was for. Let's see if I can show it. Let's pretty much just put it on right there. Let's see. Can you get it? See it? Focus. They're right there. Screw it down, and then pull this up, all the way up, so it doesn't go down. And then pretty much just twist it all the way around until the numbers are straight. Because I had twisted it to the point where it was crooked, and I still needed to twist it more. And pretty much that's it. I got this. It's like gold metallic, kind of bronzish color. It's nice. It feels good. I had this big bulky one before. Let's see if I can get it. Here it goes. Focus. There we go. This big bulky one. People liked it because it's easy to grab. Wasn't really big a fan of it. This feels so much better though. It's little. I still need to get a short shifter. I know, sorry for the mess. I know, I need to clean this myself, and I will. But thanks for watching.